Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. Let me introduce you to the structure of a Rubik's Cube. A cube has 6 sides: the top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. A cube consists of different pieces. So a cube has 6 center pieces in total. So each center piece has only one color, and it is located in the center of each side. And they always stay in the same position relative to each other. A cube has 12 edge pieces in total. The edge pieces form a cross with the center piece of the corresponding color. So for the yellow side, the edge pieces are located in these 4 locations, and they all form a yellow cross with the center piece. So a cube also has 8 corner pieces in total. So a corner piece is located at the corners of the Rubik's Cube, and each corner piece has 3 colors. So finally, the goal of solving the Rubik's Cube is to rearrange the pieces so that each side of the cube has a distinct color. Let me introduce you to the cubing notation. So a normal move is a move that is clockwise, and each normal move or each move is a quarter of a revolution, or 90 degrees. So the U move represents the top, the D move represents the bottom, the R move represents the right, the L move represents the left, the F move represents the front, and the B move represents the back. And the prime moves are moves that contain a letter followed by an apostrophe, and those moves are counterclockwise. And then, last but not least, the number behind a move indicates the number of repetitions of the move. Now let's start learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Here is step 1. Create a white cross. First, locate the side with a white centerpiece and let it face upward. So here, the side with the white centerpiece is facing upwards. And then now locate one of the edge pieces with white color. So let's see. So here you see an edge piece with white and green. So you locate that, and then you line up the non-white side of this edge piece with the center piece of the same color. So now you see that the green side is lined up with the green center piece. So, and then you rotate the side of the cube containing the white edge piece and also the center, so that the white side of the edge piece lines up with the white center. So in this case, you rotate this green side twice, and then now you see the edge piece is now located at the top, and then the colors all match. So the white matches and then the green matches. So now you do the same with the remaining 2 edge pieces. So right here is the edge piece with white and orange. So what you do is to line up the orange with the orange center piece, and then you rotate the orange side, and then now the white side of the edge piece lines up with the white center. And then now you have to find the last edge piece. So it is right here, but then notice that it is attached to the red side. So right now you have to take this down to the bottom, and then you move it so that the blue side lines up with the blue center. And then now you rotate the blue side twice, and then the white side of the edge piece now lines up with the white center piece, and then this is how you form the white cross. Step 2. Position the white corners. With the white side of the cube facing upwards, you locate a corner piece with a white side, and you want to relocate it to the corner directly below its correct position. So right now, we see that this corner piece right here is in the wrong position. So what you want to do is to relocate it to the corner directly below its correct position. So first of all, you take it down to the bottom here, and then you rotate it to directly below its correct position. So as you can see, this side is orange, and then this is green, this is white. So this is supposed to go here. And then now we have this piece directly below its correct position. So in this case, the white side of this corner piece is facing the bottom. So right now you want to do this formula. So R prime D prime 2 R D R prime D prime R. So now this corner piece is at the right position. So now you want to also find the other corner pieces and do the same. So this piece right here is also at the wrong position. So you take it down again, and then you move it to the corner directly below its correct position. And then in this case, the white side of the corner is facing toward you. So now you apply this formula. D prime, R prime, D, R. And then now it is at the correct position. And then you can also see this corner right here also needs to be fixed. So now you move it to the corner directly below its correct position right here. So the white side is also facing you, so you apply the formula that we just did, which is D prime, R prime, D, R. And then now we have to fix the last corner. So we also move it to the position, the corner directly below where it is supposed to go. And then the white side is facing you, so we also applied the formula we just did, which is D prime, R prime, D, R. And then now we have completed the white side. Step 3, position the middle layer edge pieces. So now you turn the cube upside down so that the yellow centerpiece faces upward. And then you locate one edge piece that is not belong to the yellow side. So which means that the edge piece does not contain the yellow color. So for example, we see that this edge piece here has red and green, but not yellow, so it is not supposed to belong there. So now you look at the side of this edge piece facing away from the yellow, which is green. And then you want to line up the green side with the green centerpiece. So right here. And then you make the green side face toward you. And then now, as you can see, you want to insert this green and yellow and red edge piece to the 9 o'clock position right here, so that the colors will match up. So to do this, you apply this formula here. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And then, as you can see, the edge piece is in its right position. And then now you do the same with the other ones. So here you can see this edge piece with red and blue. So blue is facing away from the yellow, so you want to line this up with the blue centerpiece. And then you want to insert this edge piece into the 3 o'clock position this time. So now you apply this formula. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And then now it is in the right position. And then you do the same with this edge piece with orange and green. The green is facing away from the yellow, so you line up with the green centerpiece. And then you want to insert it into the 3 o'clock position. So we apply the formula we just did. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And then now we have to deal with the last edge piece. So the orange is facing away from the yellow. So you line it up with the orange centerpiece, and then you want to insert this into the 3 o'clock position. So we also apply this formula. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, and F. So last, we have to check the edge pieces in the middle layer to make sure that they are in the correct orientation. So if it is in the wrong orientation, which means that maybe this is blue and this is orange, then you have to do the following formula. R2, U2, F, R2, F prime, U2, R prime, U, R prime. And then you will flip the colors. So if that is the case, then you have to apply the formula to correctly orient the edge piece. So let's do that again. R2, U2, F, R2, F prime, U2, R prime, U, R. And then it is in the correct orientation again. Step 4 creates a yellow cross. So here, as you can see, none of the edge pieces have a yellow side facing upward. So you want to apply this formula. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then now you get an L shape with 2 edge pieces with the yellow facing upward. And this looks like an L shape here. So you want to rotate this so that the L shape is at a 9 o'clock position. And then you apply the formula again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now you see a yellow horizontal line here. So you want to keep this red side facing you as you apply the formula again. And then also keeping the yellow line horizontal. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now here you formed a yellow cross, but then notice that you also need to match the colors of the edge pieces. So now you want to try to line them up with the corresponding center pieces. But then notice that this edge piece and this edge piece are switched. So if these edge pieces are adjacent to each other, then what you do is choose the one that is to the right, and then have that side face you. And then now you apply this formula. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. And then now, as you can see, these 2 edge pieces are switched, and they're in the correct position. And the yellow cross is completed. Step 5. Position the yellow corner pieces, which are these 4. So let us check how many corner pieces are at their right positions. So as you can see, it seems that none of them are at their right positions. So you want to do this formula until one of them are at the correct position. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And then you check again, and you see that these corner pieces, yellow, orange, and green, is at the right position. So that you make this corner piece right here at the bottom right of the white side, of the yellow side. And then you apply the formula again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And now let's check the corner pieces again. So as you can see, it seems that all 4 of the corner pieces are at their right positions. So sometimes you have to apply the formula for multiple times in order to get the corner pieces into their right positions. Now notice that some of the yellow corner pieces are at the wrong orientation. So they're at the right position but have the wrong orientation. So you want to have one of the corner pieces facing toward you and at the bottom right corner of the yellow side. So now you apply this formula until the yellow side of this corner piece lines up with the rest of the yellow side. So here is the formula: L prime, D prime, R, D. So notice that the corner piece is down here, so you want to apply this formula again. L prime, D prime, R, D. So as you can see now, it is at the right orientation, and it is back to its correct position as well. So now you want to keep the green side still facing toward you, so do not rotate the cube. But then you only rotate the upper yellow layer, so that the other corner piece is also at the bottom right of the yellow side. And then you apply the formula again until the yellow side of this corner piece lines up with the rest of the yellow side. So here it is L prime, D prime, R, D. And then you do that again, L prime, D prime, R, D. And then again, L prime, D prime, R, D, and again, L prime, D prime, R, D. So notice that it is now in the right orientation. And then you just completed the Rubik's Cube.